Beavish do, buddy. This is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. We have awesome duck weather today. The ducks are loving it. I'm already tired of getting wet, and the day just started. As the old saying goes, you were wet before you were dry. And you guys are sopping wet. Beefy! Good morning, Beef! How you doing, buddy? Mr. Beefy. I think we're about ready to milk. Come on, girlfriend. And Oreo is the slowest eater, so we milk her out and then we have to patiently wait for her to eat her food. Come on, Mavis. You're up. Milker, milker. Come on, milker. And the boys are quite hungry this morning. Hey, boys, are you hungry? Oh, my goodness. Your horns are coming in, Steven. What about you, Alan? You're so cute. Micah. Micah's horns are coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, buddy. Even after we drain them out, the boys still get their morning breakfast. Hitting there pretty hard. There you have it. Almost a half gallon from the girls today. So we're trying our best to learn from our lessons. Last year we started stuff way too soon. So by the time it was time to plant tomatoes and peppers and stuff, we had humongous pepper plants and tomato plants. We had tomato plants that were that tall. When we finally planted them in the ground, that was just too much. So this is all the stuff we're going to start today. We're moving in a month, so we can't plant a bunch of in-ground stuff. So we're going to start it here on the bench. Just a relaxing day of planting seeds, listening to the rain on the tin roof. Makes me want to go to sleep. Don't mind my handwriting or my spelling. I can read it, that's all that matters. Steven, are you king of the pigs? Huh? Steven! Well, we have a break in the weather, so we're gonna work on our garden beds a little bit here and plant some red beets and onions and get some stuff started outside. Let's see, we might be able to get something out of it. There we go. Now we got a bed full of onions and a bed full of wasabi and radishes. That'll be interesting. See how that goes. I don't like seafood or sushi, but wasabi's not bad. Yeah, we even have a little left. So now we have red beets planted. We should have enough for us this year. We ain't gonna have a whole lot extra, but we'll have enough for us to put away. Maybe give to my mom. So that's all we can hope for. Now we got 2 full beds of red beets and we can go in the house because it looks like it's gonna rain soon and finish planting our starter seeds in our trays. And that'll be about the end for the day. Ooh, that was a lot. We'll have to go back and take some of them out. Shooting for 1 or 2. Dirt on top of them. Well, potting mix. Come on, buddy. Man, you're fast. Whoa. Buddy. Buddy boy. Whoa. Blue boy. Come on, buddy. Okay, we're about finished with our chores tonight. Sarah's making dinner. I've heard from some people, some of my fans are requesting more videos. So I'm gonna try my best. Gannon and Adeline, I promise, try to do more. Hank Besser, you wanna be in more videos? You wanna say hi to Gannon or Adeline? What about you, T-Bone? Huh? I guess you won't talk.